How to set side button double press to open Magnifier on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, click on Side button. After click on Side button, click on Double Press. If you want to set side button double press to open Magnifier, click on Magnifier. After click on Magnifier, go back to home screen. Double press side button, you will see Magnifier is open. You will see. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set side button double press to open Magnifier on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.